Look at the corners of your windows. Do you see a crack running diagonally up the wall? That isn't just bad paint. That is gravity trying to crush your window. Bricks and blocks are heavy. You cannot stack them over an empty hole like a window without something to hold them up. That support is called a lintel. It's a mini bridge that carries the weight of the wall above the window and transfers it to the sides. In many budget builds, contractors skip the lintel. They lay bricks directly on the wooden window frame, but wood warps and rots. When the frame bows, the masonry above it loses support. It cracks in a triangle shape, the classic lintel failure pattern. The rule is simple. Every hole in a wall needs a bridge. If you see those diagonal cracks, check your lintels. Like and share to save a homeowner money.